Welcome to the Mobics SiS, the scanner information system designed to revolutionize how you manage and monitor your AI scanners, including sheet scanners, towel scanners, and stack scanners, across multiple locations. Each machine is displayed in a tile format, which you can personalize with unique styles and colors to match your brand or preference. You can design individual pages for each scanner, each location, or create a cohesive central layout for an entire group of machines. Security is a top priority with Mobics SiS. This ensures that your data remains secure, with no risk of leaks or breaches. You can have peace of mind knowing that your sensitive information is protected within your local network. The server runs locally, completely independent of the internet. The SiS provides real-time status updates for each machine. You can view active warnings and errors at a glance, ensuring that any issues are promptly addressed. The system also offers a detailed overview of the current program being run, along with important day counters such as approved, rejects, and user counters. This data helps you keep track of your machine's performance and identify areas for improvement. Additionally, there is a productivity graph that displays the machine's running time compared to its standstill time, allowing you to monitor operational efficiency and downtime effectively. To give you a deeper understanding of your production processes, Mobics SiS includes a production graph feature. This graph shows the production output for every quarter hour, allowing you to analyze trends and optimize your workflow for maximum efficiency. Furthermore, you can customize the time interval of the graph to suit your specific needs. Whether you want to see minute-by-minute data for a more detailed analysis or extend the interval to daily outputs for a broader overview, Mobics SiS provides the flexibility to adjust the graph's timeframe. The bars in the graph represent the sheets that have passed all the checks, while the dots indicate rejected items. This visual differentiation helps you quickly identify and address issues in your production process.